Gene's here, and he's in his Nebraska shirt. Go Big Red, baby. Which reminds me, you know what's about just over a month away? College football, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So excited for college football. Literally so excited. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do the baseball. I just can't do it, my friends. I'm sorry. It's too damn boring. What's up, Gene? Just telling everyone you were here. Thank you, sir. You're here with your Nebraska shirt.
Yep. Nebraska shirt. Decent full.
I need some help. A kid in the neighborhood left a note at my door yesterday, Gene.
What's that? Let me see.
So I gotta text him back today. He said, "Hey Jdun, hope you're doing well. My name is blank. I am reaching out because I just graduated from high school and I'm trying to get into trading and have been for the past 6 months. I don't have much capital at the moment. I have been using a prop firm and funded accounts to learn. I've passed a couple of evals using mostly ICT. We gotta change that, bro. Using mostly ICT concepts, but have yet to get a payout. Change that too. My parents want me to go to college, but I am more than determined to trade instead." Okay. Seeing someone in real life who has made it happen is the reason I'm reaching out, not asking for anything, but by maybe just some advice or whatever you would be willing to help with. If not, it's okay. But you know what they say, life-changing doors don't open themselves.
That's cool.
All right. I got you, bro. Should we get him right? Get him his first payout coming out of high school? Should we change his life, team? Should I hit him back today? Yeah, I'll show your parents you can get that payout, my boy. I have to shoot him a text back today. Say, what's going on? Pause. Let's see. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left, my friends. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused today. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. We get into the money.
If you want to be good.
What the heck? Yeah, that's dope. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We got market opening in 2 minutes, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. And as a reminder, choose discipline over dopamine. You're stuck with me today. Greg is out traveling and Grizzly is not feeling well. So, you and I, we got work to get done together. We got work to get done together. What's up, Thomas? Everyone on YouTube, appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all being here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get some music playing in the background. It's too quiet for me. I can't be trading in the quiet. Can't be trading in the quiet. I'll show you what I got. I'll show you all that I got. Hey, if we can get a 30-40 pointer today, I'm cool. 30-40 pointer is all we're looking for. We're not asking for the world. Previous day close. Interesting with that data. That 23,030 area might be worth a watch too today. Let's see. Hourly perspective, we don't have a ton. We're right in the middle of some key levels. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. If we can get a 4-hour close over 23,100, may see some more continuation up too, but that's in a ways. Like 30 minutes, I guess. We'll see how this next 30 minutes rocks. Likely won't take any trades anyway for a minimum of 15, 20. So we'll see. Let's see. Check, check, check. Okay, how about now? Is it better now? There was 2 mics on. That's weird. There was 2 mics on. That's so odd. There we go. All right. Let's go. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe. And if you're trading on funded accounts, if you're trading with me today, make sure you use code Jdun with Apex for 80% off and 35% off for Tradeify. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's catch ourselves a winner today. As I always say, 1 to 2K a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. So I didn't see a lot from the 4-hour perspective. I want to wait till this next candle closes. I like to see it close above this, ideally 88, and preferably for longs above 100. So we're kind of in a no man's land here between 23,000 and 23,100. So I'll be watching that. And then as far as our lower time frames go, our 5-minute, we're just going to wait. We're just going to have to wait and see what the market gives us. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Slow and steady wins the race. The tortoise and the hare. And baby, we have to be both sometimes. We're the hare to start, we run, get out quick, but we're the tortoise. Finish off, win the battle. If it wouldn't have been right at market open, that 30 area bounce just smacked. Right around that data, just smacked. It's too close to market open. Immediate, what, Fit 20 plus points. Don't. All right, Team Bull, let's trade smart, trade safe. All it takes is one good trade a day. 1 or 2 good trades a day to keep the money you're making. Tell y'all what, the mission today is very simple. Find a nice 30, 40 pointer, nice 2R trade. Enjoy the day. I also have my free class tonight. If you guys have not signed up for my free class tonight, I highly recommend you do. If you came to the last one in the orb, you know I give all I can in those classes, baby. We bring the energy, we bring the education. So make sure you guys get tapped into that. If you guys want access to my free masterclass tonight, you can find it on my IG at Jdun Trades. I'll be posting the link later. One last time. One last time. I will be posting the link later. See what the individuals are doing today as well. We got Tezzy Baby with the decent gap up, 5 points. Nvidia up in the one set. Nvidia's going to 200, guys. I'm telling you, we're about to get 100%. So we're almost technically there if you added at 87 for that split second we were there. We added in Team Bull. 90, if you added at 90, we're almost at 100% too. Tell you one thing, I ain't selling any Nvidia. Not even a little. Not even a little. Not one, not never. You know, it's funny. I always say I'm never selling my Bitcoin. But then it's like, all right, well, then I'm just going to hold it forever and never sell. Doesn't make much sense. You know, I really should be selling some out of the money calls against. I really should be RPM. I just want my shares forever. So, I mean, it's not a bad idea. I have around 400 shares, so. The Grizzly does a lot of option selling. It's actually really good. It's a really good cash generator. Little extra every week. Hey, with inflation and life as expensive as it is, it don't hurt. I'll tell you that much. Thoughts on XRP? I don't know a lot about it. I mean, everyone says they're going to retire and get rich off XRP, but I prefer the big dog Bitcoin. It's just, I get it. It's harder with Bitcoin if you don't have a bunch of bankroll. It's not something to really get rich off. The rich get richer off Bitcoin. It's hard to, unless you got in way long ago, it's hard to get rich off Bitcoin with not much money right now. So we're 10 minutes in, got an aggressive first sell candle down. We'll see if we get a similar setup to yesterday. It's kind of looking like yesterday's first initial candle too. Got the same fair value gap there, higher volume, aggressive move down. Yep, if you're on TikTok, I am live on YouTube as well. You get a full screen share. There's a little delay. There's delay on both TikTok and YouTube. So the best place to no delay is obviously inside Team Bullets on Zoom. There is zero delay, full screen share in our entire community, all of our recorded education, Jared Tendler every other week. The list goes on to value, but I am live on YouTube as well if you want a full screen. So tap in, go search up Jdun Trades on YouTube. You'll find me there, live as well. Yeah, I don't think so either, bro. The preset, regular. On the trading indicator, I'm not sure how he has that set. I'm assuming 23,000 is going to be the low here. Can move that if need be. People ask me all the time how high I think Bitcoin's going. I think it's going to go to 1 million one day. Mil plus. There's only going to be 21 million Bitcoins in existence ever. I wouldn't be surprised to see 150, 170K this year. But we'll see. I need to make more money day trading to buy more Bitcoin. So let's find a banger trade. Let's find ourselves a banger trade. How you feeling this morning, Gene?
Pretty good.
Nice. Sleep well? Sleep well?
Yep.
Good.
No coffee.
No coffee? How come?
Actually doing it.
Feel that? Actually, I don't feel that. I love coffee. I tried that white tea for a little bit. That shit was ass. Is Gene a guy or a girl? He identifies as they, them.
What?
Kidding. Bro said what?
I'm about to get hung up,
Y'all crack me up. Jdun is going, well, now he hates the racist tea. That's crazy. All right, we're about to have our 15-minute range in. We got to get away from this 23,000 level. We need to make some progress, either up or down. We have a staggered, interesting. We have a lot of room. So if we do, here's the thing we look at today, team, is if we do get that close below our 15-minute low, we'll have a nice price target, a pre-market low down at 928. So we will have a big price target here that we can try to get to if we find a short setup that we like. We'll see how this hourly and this 4-hour closes in the next 15 minutes. Drinking tea like we're in Great Britain. You will know to give me the tariff. The tax on the tea. I'm told I'll be known from the streets. '91. Well, still the same. Buy like I won a championship game. This thing about trading, guys, is a lot of it is just waiting. Staying patient and waiting. Having discipline. Which is honestly why I think so many people fail these days, is because attention spans have gotten so low. See, with TikTok brain. In 2025, the average human attention span is estimated to be around 8 seconds. This is shorter than the attention span of a goldfish. Bro, that's why prop firms are getting so rich. I mean, seriously. 8 seconds? Wow. 8 seconds is crazy, bro. And trading just requires you to sit there and just pay attention for hours. And just wait. I'm good for at least 25 seconds. I guess we're all some fish, I guess. Okay, come on. Give us a good setup. Give me a banger. Give me a banger, NQ. Set something up. And I've been watching ES, too. Been watching ES pretty consistently, but NQ's been my sweet pea for a while. 8 seconds is a long time. That's hilarious. NVIDIA, no push. Tesla's trending a little bit. Okay. Got Tesla with a little push up. Coming into this resistance area in 320s. Let's see the 4-hour chart. I used to trade SPY every single day. I've traded ES a handful of times, but not super consistently. Probably like 30 or 40 times or 50 times or something. Let's see. I don't love when our key levels are right at whole psych numbers like we see here. This 15-minute low at 23,000. At the close below, what's the high here? 23,030, 32. If we can pop up above 23,000, I'm open to looking at shorts. I'm open to it. I'm not going to jump the gun, though. Even if I missed it, you know, we're already down 20 points from that low. The reason I didn't try it right at that close at 997 is our high of this candle right here is 32. So that would have been, what, 35, even with a bad fill, 40 points of risk. Let's see. Let's get that zoned out. And even now, say I would have entered at 990, call it 995 with the fill, with 35, 40 points of risk, couldn't have even trimmed down here. 70 wouldn't even be 1-to-1 yet. If you had less risk on, maybe you kept your risk shorter. Could have, but I'm not in a trade, everybody. And that we might have just broke and aggressively moved. I just wanted to see a little more pop first. So if that means missing the boat, then no regrets for me. Not when there was too much risk on the table. Come on, give us a pop back up. Grizzly, I don't know where Green Eyes is. Grizzly doesn't feel well. He had a migraine. And Greg's traveling. Unfortunately, you're stuck with me today. Let's see. And now we're going to get higher volume, but a lot of this candle is going to be wake up. Not going to be able to short that either. We'll see. I don't trade what I want. I trade what price action tells me. Damn. Pain. It's a nice bearish candle, though. See if we can get any sort of pop-up now. 63, 23,000. 80 to 90 maybe. Q5. It's higher risk, but I'm going to try a small piece of shorts at 85. 80, 85. Try a small piece of shorts, everybody. If we break above 23,000, I'll stop. Let's see if we can get a continued move. There we go. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can get low a day out. I'd like to see a low a day. Come. 70 is 1-to-1, so I'm okay if you guys look to trim around 70. I'd like to see a low day, though, below 60. If we end up failing this move down and moving back up, at least we know that we got the initial move down. My idea was right. Follow through didn't work out. Come on. Let's see more move down, guys. Break that low a day, puppy. It's at 70. I'm going to take a few off here at 70 at 1-to-1, just as precautionary. So a few off at 1-to-1. I'd like to see the rest go below 60 to make this trade solid 1.52R. We can really target pre-market low out of this. Come on. Give us low a day, baby. You're only 20 points so far. Come on, low a day. Low a day. All right, I'm trimming a little more at low a day, guys, at 60. Trim a little more at 60. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Push it further. Push it further. A little more off at 60, guys, down there. Stops are now going to be put right at 85. Put my stops at 85. Let's target pre-market low out of this. Stops are at break even. Now we want pre-market low at 30. Let's go, Team Bull. Told you we wanted 25 points today. That's all we need. 25, 30 points a day keeps a lot of lives problems away. Yes, let's go. Is it just me trading alone or anyone take that with me? Is anyone riding this with me? Let's go. Yeah, if you're making some money on that, let me know how we're doing. How we sitting? How we sitting? We got Sniper with 2710. Let's go. Who rocked that with me? Let me know in the chat. We got Tyler with 900. 250 for hit by Justice. Let's go. I took it 150 times 2. Up 1,500 in the day. 1080. 2,400. 2710 for Juice up there. Let's go. 623. 220. 150 and holding. We're still moving. I'm not selling any more till pre-market low, guys. We're holding the rest. Holding the rest, baby. 555, 1,100. We do this, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Hard stops are in. 85. Hard stops are in, guys. I'd like to see this make our way down to this pre-market low. That's my price target. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it, girl. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. There we go. Don't do it. Don't go to 85. Come on. Don't do it. Please and kill, do not hit my stop loss. Don't do it. Come on. Don't do it. Let's just move on down. Let's just go to pre-market low. Then you can hit my stop loss after we hit pre-market low. Oh, I'd love the big trade here, guys. I would love to see the big trade here. My stops are still set at 85. If we can just fail, make another lower high here. No, not that way. Wrong direction. If you want a little wider stop, you can go all the way up to 86.5. Mine are set at 85. Oh, it just got my stop, guys. Dang it. I mean, still, what? 25 points on that. A little over if you had a better fill. I still think we can move, guys. I think we can go down. I just didn't want to give back. Didn't want to give back gains on that. I still think we can move down. If we can fail and have another lower high here. Just, I'm taking my moolah. I'm keeping my moolah. I'm happy with how that went. Happy with how that went. 25 points on NQ with like literally no drawdown. Played my stop safe. Ended up getting, I mean, that trade at its peak only had what? 15 points of risk. So that's what I like, is when I can just have 15 points of risk. Maximum. The most I'll ever put on is 30. Whoa. Whoa. You ain't even know this. How do you get the mini chart panel? What do you mean? Oh, this is the trading assistant. It's an indicator. Benziniano. Way back from the middle. Yo, I'm having a free class tonight. You gotta get on the wait list here. You know what? I'll put it on. Well, I can't edit the YouTube stream right now, but if you guys go to my Instagram and if you go to my broadcast channel, you'll find it. I'll post it. It's also in the free Discord as well. But let me go ahead here. Hold on. Let me get this. You guys got to tap into the free class tonight. Got to tap into the free class tonight, guys. Ask around how my free classes are, how my free master classes are. They're really good. Stop. It's the stress that and the bees and the coochie and the trap. No. It's gonna freaking nuke the downside. Watch this. Watch this. It's gonna do me dirty. It's gonna do me dirty. Honestly, the setup looks decent. If you wanted to go short, look for shorts. Just stops above 80, 85. I'm happy with my gains, so I'm not super inclined to take it, but looks decent for shorts to low a day. Looks decent. TikTok, I just added the link in my bio. If you tap in, hit my profile picture, and go to my page, you'll see the link to the free masterclass tonight. It's 100% free, extremely valuable. Make sure you get on the list for it. Ask around chat how the last one was. We're going low a day. We're going low a day here. Of course, yep, and there's low a day. There's low of day. Those mother truckers. Those mother truckers went and pinged my stop by literally 75 cents. Wow. And worst case is this price action is developing and I really have to pee. It's all this damn water. I do my best to call it for y'all. Do my best every single day, win, lose, or draw. I do my best to help y'all learn and see why. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing in the chart so you can do it yourself. Teach you how to fish and help you catch fish. People are like, oh, have you ever taken a trade on live? I'm like, bro, I do this every day. Every day. Every day. So appreciate y'all being here. Hitting that follow button, hitting that subscribe. And make sure if you guys are trading with prop firms, I'll do my absolute best to help you guys get paid out. With Tradeify, you can get 35% off. Use code Jdun, or remember, discipline over dopamine. Or if you go to apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun, you'll get 80% off. Yeah, those money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags. All right, guys. I really gotta go pee. I'll be right back. Woo! The main vein has been drained. The main vein has been drained. Go insane in the membrane. Lifting these stops up like a crane. But I never said the Lord's name in vain. When it comes to the stock market, I'm Captain Pain because I be killing NQ. Can't stop me. You like that, Gene? All right, so for this reversal candle, this is interesting. So we had higher volume on the 5-minute chart, right? Aggressive wick to the upside. I wish we would have swept pre-market low. If we would have seen this setup at pre-market low, I almost certainly would wait for a retest back down and go long. Because you see the increasing volume on the 5-minute with a pin bar to the upside, swept these lows. I would have rather have seen a sweep pre-market low and then move up. Then I'd almost certainly be long. I would almost certainly be long if that had happened. But it didn't happen, so I'm not long. We just got to get rid of this 23,000, bro. Got the pee-pee hands? Yep. I definitely got the pee-pee hands. People get all hurt when I'm on stream and they're like, you just ran to the bathroom and didn't wash your hands? I'm like, bro, I didn't even touch anything. If you're out in public, of course. And if you take number 2, then duh, but I didn't even touch anything. Hell no, I didn't wash my hands. It's like I'm sitting there and aiming my piss at my hands and coming back dripping pee. What? I'm just saying. What's wrong with not washing your hands when you go pee at your house, right? If you're like a female, I get it, totally. But like if you touch something, yeah, but what, is the bathroom air going to infect my hands? Well, I mean, if you're reaching down there, digging for gold, then I get it. You got to wash your hands, but I didn't do no digging for gold. It's fine. I guess my one finger that touched the flush. Should I wash my finger? All right, let's make sure this finger's got to stay in isolation. Index finger, you stay far away. He just pulled down the pants, rip it. I don't know. All right, on that note, let's find another banger trade. Let's see. So from our hourly perspective, Tim Tesla had a sharp rejection too. Let's see. From our hourly perspective, 4 hour, we didn't go above the level I wanted to see. So 4 hours still is bearish until, in my opinion, we close above 23,100. The 1 hour failed to go higher. Technically speaking, bearish from a 1 hour perspective until we close above 22,100. So right now, it's hard for me to look for longs, honestly, until if we would have swept this low, maybe look for a scalp up. But it's hard for me to look for longs until we build a base above this 23,100. In my opinion, I still think you look for shorts on pops to keep your risk defined. If we start building the base and having higher lows and trending up, that may very well change. But for where we're at this second, that's what I see. Just looking for shorts. That 15-minute low retest is printing too. Yep, the orb blow rejection. Honestly, I wasn't ready to execute when we touched that, but we touched it, failed. I still don't think it's horrible. If you waited for like 80, 85 again, you just have to keep your stops above 05. So you have 20, 25 points of risk. If we pop up here, as long as your risk is defined, I don't want you going green to red. If you do end up taking something, don't want you going green to red. That ain't no fun for anyone. But I see the short setup there. We still have pre-market low as a potential price target. Hey, Tony, I appreciate the gifts, bro. You guys really don't got to do that. It's very kind of you. But thank you. Ah! I still like the shorts, guys. I still like the shorts. I don't like any longs until we build that base above, honestly, above that 100 area. Or maybe we sweep pre-market low and then have some confirmation candles. Then I wouldn't mind the longs. We get to 80, 85. I'm going to give shorts one more small try if we get that pop up. I'm not going to give back my whole green. I'll give back a piece of it. But I still like the shorts. I like the idea. Saucy. Who is going to call me during trading? Hello? Hello? All right. No hablas inglés. Adios. It's a telemarketers get. Nope. Not interested in the car warranty. Sorry. Let's... All right. Trying a small piece of shorts up here, 85. This small. So if I lose this trade, if we go above 05, I will get back part of my gains. I like the area up here. If we go above 05, I'm out. Tried the shorts up there, though. If we go above 05, I'm out. I'll get back part of my gains. And please don't go green to red. I like this rejection candle here out the 15-minute low with this aggressive wick, but if we break above this, then I'll know I was wrong, and I'll get back part of my gains. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. That candle doesn't look great. Have the higher low here. If this would have higher volume, I'd be really concerned. But still sticking to my hard stop there. Give back a little of my gains if we pop above 05. Give back about a third. Be 1 for 2 on the day. Don't love this candle on the 5-minute. Certainly don't love that. Sticking to my guns, though. If you didn't get in, I mean, this is an area where you could try it, 90, and have 15, or yeah, like 14, 15 points of risk. No, you don't want to see that. You don't want to see that 5-minute wake up. Oh, no. Don't do that. None of those accounts are me. I don't have any accounts that will message you. I'll never message you first. They're all fake. Oh, no, you don't want to see that. That is not good. That is not good. That 5-minute chart is not good. That is not good. That is not good. Don't do it. It just got my stop up there. Damn, I just gave back a third of my gains. I swear if it pings that top and then rips down, I'm going to be salty. Honestly, that's a setup I would try, even being green, a little less green now. You see that aggressive wick up, that 15-minute low. Initially had some teeth to it, but that's something I'd try 10 out of 10 times. So a lot of times you'll see that confirm, especially when we have an unfilled price target, like pre-market low down here. But I got to stick to my plan. Sorry, fellas. Sorry, fellas. Really thought that had some chance to be another lower high in here and then move further down. 1 for 2. 1 for 2. That's all right. As a reminder, appreciate y'all being here. We hit big wins, small losers. We always manage our risk. If you guys enjoy these streams, make sure you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, and join me every single day right here on social media. If you guys aren't already, especially if you're in the YouTube, make sure you click below this stream. And if you're looking to become a funded futures trader and trade with me every day, use code Jdun with Apex for 80% off. And make sure you're a part of the free Discord. I post a ton of free game in there. I often give you guys free access to Jared Tendler, our trading psychology coach. Lots of other good, solid value. So make sure you guys are a part of the free Discord as well. If you guys have any questions, you could DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's the only place I answer DMs. Bruh. If we sweep up and go down, I'm going to be salty. I still think it looks decent, but I'm not going to give back any more gains today. LAX. A 5-minute closed above. That's interesting. Just gonna pump up now. Bruh. I swear, bro. I mean, I'd still be technically in the red. Right. Oh, no. Now we're going to go back. And again, even if we dump right here, I still follow my plans. That's a net win. Over time, it's not a net win today on that trade, but it's a net win over time. Even if I take a small loss and follow my plan, it's better than if we would have kept nuking up and I would have taken the loss up here. It ends up being a massive loss. We can't do that. What do you guys think, YouTube chat? TikTok chat? Which way we had, up or down? Which way we had, up or down? Think down? We'll see. I guess we're going to see. Let me know in the poll, YouTube. Which way we heading? Let's see where this 5-minute closes. Appreciate y'all being here and hitting that subscribe button too. Trade live here every single day for y'all. And if you come every day, you know we got a very good win rate. I'm always helping y'all choose discipline over dopamine. I'm always going to do my best to help you guys level up and win. If you're on TikTok, by the way, I also added the link for the free masterclass tonight to the link in my bio. So if you click my profile picture and click it again, you'll see it on my page. There's 500 spots total. So once it fills up, it fills up. Hey, if you're on YouTube, vote in our poll, baby. The Downs are losing. Do I trade gold? Not really. Oh my gosh, what a nuker. Well, it looks like I managed my risk very well in that trade. That's a plus. That's the FOMO cure when it goes the opposite way and you manage your risk. We'll take that. Here's the deal too, YouTube. Once we get to 1,000 plus concurrent viewers, 1,000 viewers at a time, we're going to start giving something away every day. I just started doing this horizontal a few days ago. So make sure y'all tap in, join in every single day. I do my best to find you guys winning trades, help you guys learn. If you're on TikTok, make sure you guys tap into the YouTube as well. It's a bit longer delay, but you get full screen share. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I'm live right now. Make sure y'all go subscribe. I have a ton of free game. And if you've been struggling with the orb, just go watch my orb video and thank me later. Trust me. Don't believe me? Ask around chat. I've been doing this for 9 years, guys. 9 years, guys. I got a good hold on what I'm doing. God bless my soul. Anything else on Watch Team Bowl? Got me not knowing how to act. This is a good reminder, guys. Mid-morning, an hour into open reminder to choose discipline over dopamine. The more focus you put into your trading, the more you focus on paying attention, staying calm, staying focused, staying disciplined, the more success you're going to have. That's just how it goes. The more focus you put into your trading and your craft and your mental, the more success you are going to have. That is just a fact. All the strategy in the world is out there. You guys just got to focus on mastering it yourself, not allowing yourself to blow up. If you can do that, you're going to be in real good shape. Yeah, Green Eyes trading SPX puts. I haven't traded SPX in forever. If I ever dropped down dead, you wouldn't have to use the heart machine, the electric shocker. Just have my finger click 20 SPX long. That'll get my heart rate pumping again. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I see what you're doing, YouTube. Now the ups are coming in. Now that it's moving up. All right. I see how you're playing. I see what y'all are doing. I see exactly what y'all are doing. Hey, I hope this is your reminder as well, too, guys, on the YouTube. I want you guys making sure you hit the gym today. If you made a promise to yourself to follow your diet, you follow your diet. If you made a promise to yourself to journal your trades, you journal your trades. A lot of this game and the success or downfall we see intraday starts in our daily life. Sour. Oh, tell me why I want to go short again. I mean, it doesn't fit the system, so I can't personally, but. Yep. 1,200 for the day. It says message retracted, but let's go. Hey, PNP striking. That's dope. Turn me into a killer. 1,200 for the day. Nice job, JW. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Curious, YouTube, if you're trading with me, let me know in the chat how you're doing today. How are we doing today? Let me know if you're green or red in the poll. Let's see it, baby. So I'm talking about. Right, no bid on might. The price is right. Here's what the super night. It's now sad in the way. If you trade with me, I know that's a big old green. I know it's a big old green. Hey, you know, Brandon, those losing days aren't too bad though. Like to see them a little less in size, but in comparison to your month, they don't look bad, bro. Hey, come on, y'all. Y'all took those winning trades with me. I want to see the green in the chat. I'm gonna keep doing my best to find y'all the winners, baby. I'm gonna do my absolute best for y'all, always and forever. So now what we're seeing here is this. If you're on the screen share, where we're at now, we're over an hour in Team Bull. We have this aggressive failure here. If we can close below here, we can look for some sort of short. What's this at, 31? It'd be kind of my max risk parameter to look for a move back down. See if we can break this trend. Aggressive. I still would love to see us touch this pre-market low, but I just worry about us holding this 15-minute low, this key level 23,000, and then moving on up. No. Appreciate y'all being here and hitting that subscribe button, everyone. If you're on TikTok, make sure you can head on over to YouTube as well. You get full screen share. Closed right above. Interesting. Can't stress this enough, guys, especially if you're trading prop firms. You have to really focus on taking those base hits and scaling. You got to focus on scaling in and out. Also, setting yourself, if you don't have one set in your broker, a maximum loss limit. The only time daily loss limits are a good thing, in my opinion, is when you set them yourself according to your parameters for your trading. But I think having a daily loss limit or max loss limit for yourself as a trader is a great thing. It shows discipline. It shows you're able to say, you know what, I'm ready for the day. I'm done on this account. Super important, guys. This 23,000 is going to be a pain, huh? I'd love to see us close below this 23,000. That's what I'd love to see on the 5 minute. If we can break this trend down, it's going to be nasty down to this pre-market low. $31. Go square, being a square. Burn. We on the turn. Dump that baby. The shorts are what's looking better to me. Until you break and hold and start trending up, this looks like it wants to break down. We'll see. As a reminder, guys, I'm hosting my free masterclass tonight. So if you've been struggling with volume analysis, the orb, or your risk management, make sure you take time tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time to join me for my free class. If you're on TikTok, it's in the link in my bio on my page. If you're on YouTube, you can go to my, or either of you guys can go to my IG, Jdun Trades, and find it on my story today. You can also DM me. If you'd like to come to the class, you can DM me on IG. Say, hey, Jdun, would love to come to the free class today. Yeah, this is just so back and forth. It's my bias today. I mean, I still think if we can hold below this 23,000, we can go down. No lane. Yeah, it's tough because we're holding this trend line really well. No trade zone for me, guys. I still think if we can hold below this 23,000, we can get a nice move down, but every 5-minute candle is closing above, and we held this trend up from these lows, higher low, higher low, higher lows. Use tick chart for ES. I don't use tick charts, no. Let's see. If we can get a close below 23,000, I think we got it. Otherwise, we're just hold, 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 hold. Especially if this candle gets more volume, we likely move on up. I see a few you messaged me on IG. Again, if you want access to the free webinar tonight, send me a DM on Instagram at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on IG. It's verified with 212K followers. You can DM me there and say, hey, from the live, I'd like access to the free masterclass tonight. Jdun Trades on IG. Fuck. I didn't. No. There we go. There we go. I just pinned my link on YouTube, guys, on the top. So if you guys go to Jdun Trades and IG, you can DM me there for access to the masterclass tonight. It will also be recorded if you like it in your email after. You just have to be on the list. Holding lower volume, interesting. All right, this market's got, we're going to stick around till probably 9:30 my time today. If you have Discord, you can get the link in there, Chris. I'll put the free Discord link in the chat right now. Or it's under my YouTube. Just click on my description of the YouTube here, bro, and then join the free Discord. You can get access to it there. Thoughts on shorts around 50% retracement if it gets there? Personally, not for me today. I already gave back a little bit of my gains, so I'm likely done trading for the day. If we see something really good, I'm open to it. But let's say you were to take, let's just go hypotheticals. If you were to take shorts at 50% retracement from high to low of the day, we're right around there, so you just have to wait for this candle to close, keep stops above the high, and then try to ride it down. We've just held this 15-minute low so well, wick, move, wick, move, wick, move, hold, move, that I have a tough time rationalizing any sort of shorts until we get confirmation of a move back down. Oh my gosh. What the hell? I guess you're riding that 50%. That is pain. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Watch us sweep and just rip. Oh my gosh. That is what I wanted earlier. That right there is what I wanted earlier. Now we could watch again aggressive volume. We can watch for a pop-up. And gosh, if you wanted a short, I'd like to say move into this 90 to 23,000 stops above this high. Hopefully this doesn't end up being a sweep. But if you're really short biased, you look for a pop into here and stops above here. I just hate that we swept down. You don't want to see us just freaking rip back up. That's what you got to be careful of. I'm personally not taking any more trades. I'm done for today. I know where that leads. If I wasn't any trades, I'd look for shorts, probably 23,000 and 23.10. And then, if we pop back above 35, then this was likely just a sweep and we move back on up. So that's what I'd be watching. That's what I personally like. There's delay on every YouTube stream, bro. It's down to about, it's like 17, 18 seconds. But you guys see, I hope you, the point is I want you to see what I like, right? I want you to learn from every stream that I do for you. I want you to be able to stay focused, stay disciplined, stay patient, and then execute when the time comes. Yep. If you guys got to be at that free masterclass. I'm telling you. If you're on YouTube, you can go and join the free Discord below. If you're on TikTok, then you can go to my TikTok link in my bio. If you click my profile picture with me going like this, click it again, you'll see it in my link in my bio. I promise I'm going to deliver for you at 8 p.m. Eastern time tonight. I've thought about Kick. Yep. It will be recorded if you get your name, if you get onto the wait list. So spend some time doing positive things for yourself tonight. Stay away from the scrolling. Stay away from the video games. Come tap in. I promise you spend an hour with me tonight, you will better yourself. I've been doing this for 9 years, and you guys know if you've been to my webinars before, I bring the heat. I bring the heat. So if you're on YouTube, you can DM me on Instagram for access to the masterclass. I put the link up there. That's going to be in the short setup up there. Telling y'all that 23,000, 23,010. If you took those shorts with stops above here, you're sitting around one to one right now. If you guys ended up taking those shorts up there, that 23,000, 23,010, you're at 1 to 1 right now. I did not take that trade because I'm done for the day. But if you did, you'd want to target pre-market low. Potentially think about taking some off too. Where this trade's going, we're going to low a day. You're going to see it in this chart. You're going to see it in these candles. Trump asked Republican lawmakers if he can fire Powell. That's what it was. That's crazy. Yep. Thanks, Donnie T, for the dump. Thanks, Donnie T. Appreciate you, dog. As a reminder, Team Bull, if you guys are trading with funded accounts, Apex is still 80% off using code Jdun, and Tradeify is 35% off using code Jdun as well. I will always do my best inside Team Bowl to help y'all pass your challenges, stay disciplined, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine. That's how you get payouts. You stay focused, you get base hits, you don't blow up. Set that daily loss limit for yourself. Stay consistent. Keep promises to yourself. Take accountability for every action you take, good or bad. Tradeify also offers straight to funded accounts, so skip the eval. If you have extreme discipline, it could be a good option for you. The only downside is the 20% consistency. That's Grizzlies, Stanley. Consistent loss. We don't want that. TJ, you've been paid out before, bro. You know how to do it. You just got to stay consistent in your discipline, dog. Well, not you. Damn, different TJ, I guess. Well, good. I'm speaking in the future. You're getting paid out soon. I can feel it in my bones. Anytime y'all get payouts, I love when you guys send them to me, especially if you're learning from me, trading with me. I love seeing them from you guys. Tag me on X. Send it to me on IG. I love seeing it. You guys still here with me, Team Bull? Is y'all still here with me, everybody? We got about probably 20, 30 more minutes of streaming. Trading. Try to go live for y'all at least 2 hours a day. And you boys going to go hit an absolutely nasty, filthy, destructive, ginormous back day, baby. It's supposed to be leg day, but I was busy yesterday, so didn't get a good workout. Got my pickup of raw milk and raw cheese and grass-fed local beef yesterday. Ooh, and some local honey as well. Got some local honey in yesterday's shipment too. Telling you, the beef you get from local farms, it's grass-fed. It's more expensive, but man, it is fire. It's fire. Gene, how do you trade today, bro? You didn't trade?
No, I didn't want to trade today.
No.
Tomorrow.
It's all right.
I'm back to trade if I get to.
Nice.
I passed an account last night.
I know I love the local honey, man. The honeycomb, ooh, fire. Gosh, it's so good. It's really good for your allergies, too. There's so many benefits to real local raw honey. Immune system, yep, everything. Oh, my gosh. I need some. You know what I'm having today? I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to have a nice, big, beautiful, luscious piece of medium rare liver and onions. Oh, I'm going to have me a nice, big old piece of calf liver. Oh, it's going to be a good day. Maybe drizzle a little honey on the side with some fruit. Oh, yeah, it's coming. Your boy's going to be having him a liver feast. Trading Liver King. Oh, it's going to be so good. I'm pumped. It's my favorite, bro. Oh, yeah, I fast pretty much every day. I'll usually go 12 to 14 hours, sometimes 16. Honestly, depends how I feel. I won't ever go over 16 though. But yeah, I don't eat breakfast first things first in the morning. Hungry dog fights harder, baby. Hungry dog fights harder. Woof. Like an old German grandma eating liver and onions. That's pretty much me. Oh man, so bomb. And you just feel better. I swear, after you eat liver, you just feel better. Try it. I tried to get Gina to do it. Gina's sitting there eating, and bro was like, tried plugging his nose to full. Oh, no, bro, I had to spit it out. I said, spitters or quitters. Gave me spitting out the liver. That's funny. Your mom used to make you eat it. I did win today. And as a reminder, YouTube, if you're on YouTube, make sure you tap on the top, the pin message, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades if you'd like access to my free masterclass tonight. Need y'all there. Mention that you're from the YouTube live and you'd like access to the free masterclass. Even if you can't be there, if you're busy at 8 Eastern time, I'll get you the recording. If you're on TikTok, you can go to the link in my bio, or you can also message me on IG. I'm down for some Rocky Mountain oysters. I'm down. Tongue is great. You're talking Gene's language.
Lengua?
What?
Lengua?
Lengua. Gene be eating the tongue tacos.
And cabeza?
Cabeza?
Yeah, that's head.
Oh. Crazy tall. Yeah, I just kind of kept going up. I just kind of kept moving up. Yeah, Danny's cool. I wish him the best. I don't got drama with nobody. People got drama with me. I don't have drama with anybody. I'm focused on making my money trading, hanging out with my son, hanging out with my family, and living in peace. That's what I care about. I know the drama gets views, but it's just not for me. I think what should get views is me banging trades for y'all every single day. That's what should get views, in my opinion. Jdun a family man. He don't care about nothing else. It's facts, Luke. Let us be chilling, bro. Man, Perkins, you be trading the individuals now, huh, with Johnny? I'm likely done trading for the day. Pigney, that's interesting. Bless you, Gene.
Thank you, sir.
Bless you, Mr. Gene. Bless you, Mr. Gene, Mr. Gene, Mr. Gene, Mr. Gene. Let's have a quick prop update. How are y'all doing on your funded accounts and your evals? How's everyone holding up? Team Bull. Why we got blood, Dragon? What's going on? Green. Bad risk management. Well, good thing we can change that starting today. Your trading makes a change the moment you decide it will. Just like your journey for fitness, for health. Your life changes the moment you start to take accountability. Your moment changes. Your life changes the moment that you are to blame for the good and the bad. For the wins, you're to blame. For the bad, you're to blame. Blow your account, you're to blame. You pass your account, you're to blame. There's positive and negative consequences. It's all up to you. Stay on the right path. I validated your Lambo at Cherry Creek. Appreciate you, Limitless. Appreciate you, bro. Should have taken it for a joyride, too. I haven't been to Cherry Creek in a minute. I don't smoke. I used to. I mean, I smoked pot probably 7 years ago. I think I'm 7 years clean. I don't smoke nicotine. I'm nicotine clean for what, 4 or 5 years or something? Maybe actually longer. It might even be longer. No, it's like 4 years or 5 years. It was January 1st of... I was 25, so 4 years. 4.5 years. Thanks, Limitless. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I was in a bad spot. I used to be a torta. I dead ass used to be a straight up torta. I was a big boy. Oh, big boy. Someone asked me, they said, Jdun, I'm sure I'm not sure you have said this over and over, but how did you mentally get to the point where you could size up considerably? I'm confident in my trading, but still scared. It's all about systemization. So if you're at one contract, do that for a month, you go up to 2. Do that for a month, you can trade well, go up to 3, and you slowly size up the problem. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's got to be a tweet or something. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's going on? Let's see if we close below this. Damn, if you were taking shorts up there, you're nuking. Oh my gosh. What was the news? Anyone, someone find the news. Someone find the news for Team Bull. Holy shit. Trump is likely to fire Powell soon. I don't think he even can. I'm not a lawyer, but for those, I don't think the president can fire the head of the Federal Reserve, can he? I don't. No, I didn't think so. I don't know. Shit. I didn't take the bar exam. I'm just saying, Federal Reserve is not who you want to mess with. They're really powerful. We've seen how that's went for people in the past. Well, I know once Powell's term is up, he can let him go or not renew it, but I don't think he can just fire him randomly. I mean, from the little I understand, I don't know. Never been to Maldives, but I've been to Bora Bora. And Brandon with the killer. Brandon's been on a tear, baby. Let's see how we react down here. See, this is the move I wanted all morning. Why couldn't we get that? Why couldn't we just get this before without news? Why couldn't we just get that? What's up, Edgar? What's up, Mr. Flag? Mr. Cooper, let's go. Mavs are coming out hot. Still not going to take my Nuggets in the West, but you be contenders. Yeah, there's a lot of fakes in here, PIY. Don't get caught by them. I will never ask you for money. Won't trade for you. Won't ask you to deposit money. I love you, but I won't follow you or message you for your own safety. Wolves, you know what? I can't even lie. Y'all did own us last season. I can't even come back to that because y'all, it was a sweep, 3-0, whole last season. Not this year, though. Got rid of MPJ, thank God. I can't. Yeah, we're moving below pre-market low. This is what I want to see all morning, bro. I'm happy to be green, over 1,000 on the day still, but damn. Why'd it take Trump trying to fire Powell to do this? I don't even think he can do that. Someone said MPJ is certified point getter. Yeah, something. Fouls. Turnovers. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so let's see here. This I still got about 10 minutes left of streaming. Maybe a little longer if price looks decent. We're a ways away from it, but keep in mind for the coming days, I have a bounce level, a big demand for demand at 700-ish. So at 700, I will look for a bounce. Big demand there. We're a ways away. So likely not today, but my alerts are set if we get near it. I'm going to do my absolute best to help y'all pass and get funded by Apex. They paid out the most of any firm. When you use code Jdun, you get payout protection as well. If you have any problems with your payout, you already know I'm going to help you out. I'm going to get you right. If you're on YouTube, as a reminder too, you can use code Jdun with Tradeify for 35% off or Apex for 80% off. And DM me on Instagram. It's the only place I answer DMs if you have any questions or if you'd like access to my free masterclass tonight. I go all out on these. 9 years of knowledge and experience packed into a class just for you. You can ask around too. I always bring the heat. You're going to get better tonight. That's a promise. I don't make promises I can't keep, but I do promise you're getting better tonight if you come. Who is calling me? Who thinks they can call me? Fucking Brandon. What? What? You're on speaker. What?
What's up, everybody?
You caught that entire move down?
Bro, we literally shorted. I went short at 62.92.
Damn, my boy.
20 points in 10 seconds on the S&P. That shit was crazy.
Damn, bro's a beast.
Yes, sir.
Bro ain't playing. You've been on a heater lately, man.
Facts. So, as a congratulations for smacking 20 points.
Oh.
Some guarding grace from you.
Yeah, you owe me like 100 meals. I don't want to hear it. I've been in Garden Grace forever though. Might be down.
Let's go. Wow.
I might be down. If you stop calling me during trading hours, I might be down.
All right, deal. I'll send the agreement and I'll sign it today.
Goodbye, Brandon.
All right, bye.
Just for absolutely no reason. Oh, Brandon. Curious, what do y'all think your biggest trading weakness is? What keeps you from being the profitable trader that you want to be or getting payouts? For me, it was patience. I'd impulsively take too many trades, or I wouldn't wait for my confirmations. I found that once I waited for my truly A+ setups and for 5-minute closes and for trend entries, everything changed for me. It's slower, it's much more boring, but it pays over time. And that's what you sacrifice. That's why I say discipline over dopamine all the time, is you sacrifice your dopamine for long-term success. Emotional baggage, that's a big one too. Bringing in your daily life into your trading. Absolutely a big one. Someone asked about FFN. I mean, I have a discount code at them, but I think if you want to, I think FFF has made a lot of positive changes too. If you want to go milk my old firm, you can use code Jdun. They have 3 different plans. They just removed daily loss limit on their Premier. So they've been paying out a lot too. They hit, I think, over 8 million in payouts. Code Jdun does, not Jdun Reset. Code Jdun works for FFF. The reset code doesn't work, but for the new evals, you can use code Jdun. If you're a first-time user, you can also get 50% off with it. Yep, only for evals. Code Jdun is 1-day pass on Apex. Yes, sir. Let's see. Let me put it in the chat for y'all. I put it in chat for you. Code Jdun for 80% off a 1-day pass. You can trade up to 20 accounts. Nope. Apex is 80% off. Wow, what a test of... That's insane. This market is nuts. FFN's fine. FFN is fine. Use code Jdun. It's like 50% off, I think. I just don't trade with them. They're cool, though. Looks like we want to go lower now. I would personally be very cautious of longs until we get some sort of continuation uptrend up. Be very careful. Oh my gosh, free falling. I'm going to get out of here pretty soon. I'm happy with how today went. Solid dub on the day. Don't. We're going lower. We're going low a day. Look at that. Look at that. This is my only TikTok account. That is correct. If you see anything else, it is not me. It is a scam. Well, Team Bull, oh my gosh, we had the right idea in shorts. Just a little manipulation first. Oh man, I'm happy. I'm happy with how today went. Left some money on the table for show, but still can't complain. I'm gonna call you Jdun because all you do is win. Not all, but we do it a lot. This is the trading assistant. Honestly, my boy Grizzly made it. I'm not sure why it says negative 300 today. I'm not sure what. It doesn't take any trades, but give some good insights to trend, volume, risk, and such. Wow. I have to stay till 10. 10 my time. Rolls Royce truck. Yeah, I've been going nuts. I still like that 700 area for that bounce. All the higher time frames were saying it. We got NVIDIA probably tanking, huh? Oh, no. Tesla holding strong too. That's interesting. We want 100 more points. We get down to 700. Get down to 700. That's the only area I like a bounce. I'm using Russian quick. I got to piss again. I'd love to see 700. That would be great. Nuclear. Consulting. All right, we got about 15 minutes left. Let's go here. We're showing that. Oh, I hope everyone had a great day. I was hoping we got a little lower on that aggressive push down. I was hoping we got a little lower. Let's see here. I'm sending. Got to pay some bills. Do some real estate wires. 5138. I'll watch for some trades while we're doing this. What happens to a funded if you lose the money? Well, you just have to restart. Tradeify, you can go straight back to funded. Pretty much every other firm, you have to redo an eval. Routing. 3-1. Two. Game closed above pre-market low. That's interesting. Not quite as much volume though. Let's go, David. 3K. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. I did make money today. What do you mean? Greetings from Greece. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Routing. Let's see, 6. Come on, all this work stuff is boring. Dun. No. Ugh. Dun. I'm about to full port out of desperation. Please don't. All right, Team Bull. I am going to call it for today. 2 trades live, 1 win, 1 small loss. We'll take it. Some aggressive price action up and down. We will take it, my friends. Trade smart, trade safe. Appreciate y'all being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early in the morning inside Team Bull, all right? God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you on the flip side. Peace. All right, guys. I'm about to hit the gym, get ripped, rich, and rare. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Trade smart, trade safe. And thank you guys for being here. Make sure you hit that follow button, subscribe, and get on the list for tonight's masterclass at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. 8 p.m. Eastern Time, you can click right here on the YouTube on my Instagram. Send me a DM on Instagram at Jdun Trades and mention that you're from the live and you'd like access to the masterclass. Or if you're on TikTok, you can go to my link in my bio or message me on Instagram as well. So get your name on that list. I'll see you guys in the masterclass tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Do not miss it. You will get better, and I'll see you there. God bless and peace. Check and adios, YouTube. Peace.